Game shuttering input lag driving you crazy? There is a free fix, Process Lasso. In this video, I'll show you the exact setting to kill shutters, tighten up input lag, and get smooth frame times even on your average PC. Let's jump in. Open up the game and Process Lasso. Make sure the game is running in the background and go to Active Processes and sort this list to CPU percentage, and you can able to see the game in top. And now rightly go into the game process and select CPU PRT always and set this to high. Again go to CPU PRT always and uncheck this Windows dynamic thread PRT boost, and once done just again go to CPU affinity, set always, and select CPU affinity, uncheck this CPU 0 and click on OK. Now go to IOPRT, always set this to high, and go to efficiency mode, always set this to off. Go to boost, always set this to on, and right click and go to execute from pro balance, make sure it is checked, and then go to search menu and type game mode. Click on turn off this game mode so they don't interfere each other. That's all it takes to get rid of shutters and tighten up input lag with Process Lasso. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.